There's a lot of discussion today about accidents and injuries. Why do they happen? What causes accidents and injuries? The answer can be found in statistics. The insurance industry, governmental agencies, and the National Safety Council have analyzed employee accident investigations over the years and have determined that the overwhelming cause of most industrial accidents and injuries can be attributed to the unsafe acts of employees. Now, that's a rather bold statement, putting the blame on employees. There are hundreds, even thousands of accident causes that couldn't possibly be the employee's fault. Broken machinery, unsafe conditions, and so on. What's the deal here? Well, there is no deal, only cold, hard facts. Let's take a look at some information that will enable you to better understand unsafe acts and how they contribute to accidents and injuries. First, let's explain the phrase contribute to an accident. Let's say an employee is using a machine that's unsafe. Perhaps the machine isn't working properly, but the employee continues to operate the equipment, neglecting to notify the supervisor that the machine is not working properly. The employee is injured. What was the cause? Well, of course, one of the contributing factors to the cause of the accident was the improperly working machine. It should have been corrected. The second contributing cause of the injury was the employee's failure to notify the supervisor so the machine could be repaired. We call this a dual cause of the accident. Two things caused this accident. How about the employee who lifts incorrectly and injures his back? If you use the safe lifting technique, back injuries won't usually occur. The same principle applies when a person tries to lift too heavy a load. It's too much trouble to ask for assistance, so you go ahead and try to lift a heavier load than you should. This, too, is an unsafe act. One of the most widely used tools in industry today is the box cutter. We prefer to call it a finger cutter because that's